clean and pretty. You know. It's when the woman lie down on the bed back way and open up leg, I say, no, missus. A back shot, me love. But people, you know why I say back shot? Because you man ugly.
Yeah. Clan.
Boom! People, welcome back to News Entertainment TV. Yeah, that bad channel that we are kick off wicked from where the whole place that you in. Story time. Yeah. First time we have sex in a construction building. No, maneuver people. Maneuver ladies, I don't know about this place. I don't know where in a girl living. I ain't a man to go be. Girl to go be. Yeah, it was a great experience for me, plus a bad one. You know what I mean? Because you don't know you're new in the place and you don't have no catty. So you know the whole away with up on the side, just decide say boy we're going to join running in the town and see if we can find a catty. So every man should out on Saturday night. Every man decides say yo, town are doing downtown. So be it and ready and jump on a cabby and say alright, town. The way we forward the man to go town well fresh, well new, nobody don't know we don't know nobody. So we see a local cat here pass and thing and ask her with the KFC there and thing and she said to me say alright. Just take yo nobody don't call her phone there. I must joke this at the door. Hello? Am I speaking to? Yeah, so we see a cat here pass and every man decides boy I have to go for that cat here, but in my intention, they're hungry. So I just want to know the KFC there. So I asked her which direction to KFC. And she said to me, say we grown down the road and then we take a left, then we grown one corner, then we take one bend and I go see one bridge. And I said, John, people can't give direction to that place. But anyway, we find the KFC, order our food, sit down and eat at the 4 away. After we sit down and eat, now we decide to say, alright, now it's time to look some cat here, time to go look at girl. So every man should out and go up on the front page out of KFC. We call 2 months till we week. Nobody not pay with no mind. Cause you know what don't know. We don't know image them time there, you know what I mean? So I just some little youth, I do some work and we're not wearing no serious clothing like that to say alright, get a catty on the first get go. So you know we are trying hard and thing and set up and see this catty. I'm call her Catty forward. Introduce myself and she introduced herself and asked her if we can hold her reasoning and thing and she said, yeah man, no problem. Them time there, a BBM a shot in on. Nobody there on this way no, Blackberry, BBM. When Cartel tell everybody say, you have ping off him, Blackberry me. If you don't have a Blackberry phone them time, you see everybody around an iPhone now, a Blackberry used to kill it. Like if you walk up to a woman and you don't have a BBM daddy, a ping you ask for, you don't ask the woman for the number, you know, a ping. And days of the hype dog, just like our iPhone gear hype now, Blackberry used to have a buzz daddy. Yeah man, hype. So I asked Catty for her pin and thing and we did it and we exchanged pin and thing and and she said, hey, this is kind of dip on a rush, you know, so when you reach home and thing you can link me. Yeah? Set up and can't wait for reach home, you know, because I want to ping that Catty here, you know, to get some more information about her, if you get to know her, you know. But one thing, the girl ugly. But the woman have a piece of body there. I mean the ass, nice thigh, leg. I mean everything from halfway good on proper. But anytime you feel pass the breast go up in a mass. And the hardest thing to look at. But anyway, I say I now watch it because I'm in that place and I have to get some front, you know, because when I get this one, I go to school, you know, in a ramp, you know, and I'm bathroom, the girls them bathroom and have sex, you know, so I do them thing long time. I don't play with that something there. I love pum pum bad. Reach for the ends now and think you don't know. We not even know no party now if we go. I really set up back now and Japanese, you know, Blackberry one charge up the Blackberry and thing and set up and ping the cat, you know. Cat answer, reply immediately, you know. Hey, what's up? Who feel better? How hype on me? I mean, the only dog going in town go get one cat in there and man, them did it and I was looking. While me did it, I text them. Now the only man find a girl at night, you know, man, and I tell us, the cat did it and I almost say, whole night, all the next day we couldn't walk. Whole night we are text. I mean, I said, I don't picture, you know, because I know I see her face, you know, but, you know, because I know I know bad vibes. But you know she have a nice reasoning ability and me and her kick off a good energy, me I tell you. People, me I tell you, say the cat give me one good vibes. Though, anytime I think about her face though, I carry her face some bad energy. So when I do, I not to repeat that now, man. So anyway, a week pass and thing and she decides to boy, she'll come link. Say, John, no. John, I don't live nowhere, no people. Construction site me depend on. I don't have no house. I don't have no proper facility. Nothing, you know. So how am I going to make a cat here come link me now? Does that even possible? You know, woman want to go there look bathroom, man. I think cool link they want to go there look fix up. And they want to go check if everything clean and nice and all them things, you know what I mean? So I can't expect the cat to go link on it. So I link all the dog and I say, yo dog, you remember the cat we meet last week Saturday? The cat want to come look for me, man. I say, yo dog, make the cat come. I'm like, oh, you talk about the funny, we can't do that. I say, I'm not talking about that, can't do that. Can't do that, man. Not because, you know, hope there's certain way daddy. And don't worry yourself, B. Now call the name. Now call the name. Now style them way, you know what I mean? But think about it and say, alright, you'll never do it now. I don't know. We fix up a nice little section. Nice. Because we get some sponge and a little dead and all everything. So we fix up a nice little section and thing and say, alright. When she forward, I have to make sure you say, alright, there's something there. Make sure you say, yo, a girl level me come from and you know, me have the real deal up there so but they on the enter and get a little work for the one. You know what I mean? And so you think that if she don't accept, so you think go, because I know some women them love them cleanness and really. So say alright, ping her and say, can you come forward? And can you come link me, come and find a taxi, make sure so me follow the routine, right a foot. Me tell her immediately. So it's a construction site, we depend in a lane, and the house not really proper. You know what I mean? But we can sit down and talk and reason said way, you know what I mean? And she said, no problem, man. No problem. I don't really have no problem. I just want to see you. Bring her up on the ends. You know, man, my Jamaican man stay already, you know, your family and your friends. The whole heap up, and the whole heap up. Gunshot a bus, you know, because what? Them time I not even name Nizzy, you know. Them time they are Sean, my name, you know, man. That's why I know Nizzy for name. They say, Sean, a wipe, so. Gunshot a bus in them, man. Happy for me still. That's a way of telling you that them happy for you, say, oh, get some front. But they don't really tell you straight, you know. But them happy, say, boy, you bingo. Open, say, boy, you get it. Yeah, we have set up and go in a room and thing. You know, a sponge, you know, people, and one look cheap. Sheet, you know, sheet thin. You can say a sponge sheet, you know, sheet thin, you know. You look 3 sheet and you see sponge, you know. Thin. Poorness, you know what I mean? But anyway, the woman sit down on the bed and sit down beside her and I did a reason. The woman just whisper in my ears and say, you have no condom? I said, fuck. People, I say when a woman go mention sex, I say I have to turn to myself. I say, self. You know what the man said, you get some pussy. Yourself to me. Me, I go get some pussy. Yeah, me to self. Yeah, dog! Pussy! Yo, people, I have to get serious now because we can't go like me an amateur, you know, I have to act like me a professional. Set some back and jaw for you condom. Because in time there, you know, are the worst place to carry condom in a night with Jamaican boys do, you know. Carry condom in a wallet. Are the worst place to carry condom. Condom need space. it need look room, none in my wallet, you know. So here where they you know, it bust it, tear it, shoots up. So we take out the video, you know, half pull. Young boys, please me a beg you. No put no condom down the wallet. Find one, put in your pocket where you know you have up on the ends. I sit because where's the up on construction site, all dust I go there in there. Beer dust catch up in our corner. And I can't, you can't do that. Please me a beg you. Anyway, drive your condom, you condom half pull in. So if you're hiding, you can't. Just see it say, you condom half pull in of you make sure you go face your boy. You go pinch in or you go cut it, tip in like some more breed or so. If you hide you one way. So you know, as a man now, I love me nipple, you know. You get me in a certain vibes, you know. You have to play with my nipple as a female, you know. Yeah, look, you want the house, you want the car, you want the 5 phone, 10, whatever you play with my nipple for a minute.
Are you sure about that?
You lift up your hand and put on my nipple and thing, and, you know what I mean? Because I want well hard, you know, because your woman face not so 100, you know, so you hard to turn up. Because, you know, prettiness kind of give me a really heightness, you know. So, you see, if you're not pretty, you can't turn me on, you know. Females out there, you know, really style nobody stick, but me, I tell you, fix up yourself, even if you're not pretty, you get your look with your style and you get your look with you lash them and you fix up your eyebrow and you look sitting and you know what I mean? You set up and start playing with the nipple and thing, you know what I mean? And man, I get well hard and yeah, ready up for that something. And I tell people, when you're ready now, the woman, I want to look skirt, you know, the man. I tell you, so she's sexy already, you know. And you look skirt, no reach her knee, you know, you're between knee and upper top there, you know. So you see the real deal, you know, skin clean and pretty, you know. It's when the woman lie down on the bed back way and open up leg, I say, no, missus. A back shot, me love. But people, you know why I say back shot? Because you man ugly. Me go get turned off and me go tap. I don't want no sex again. So, you know what I do? Me say, a back shot me love. So, and woman don't want to turn around, you know, because look like so she love you, you know. And through the first go, maybe she want make it take time go in and away. But me just want it back way because me don't want to see no face. So anyway, she get up on me, so the woman bend over. The way yo, are the fattest pussy me see in my life. Me say, you're some ugly woman, you know, they not pretty up a front, you know, but you see, round there, solid. And I tell you, say, when the woman turn round and show me it from behind, please, if me never thank, if me never chunk, me come right upon myself. The woman sexy, pum, fat, well solid round her back, you know. So when I enter, man, I have to know what I do. Because if you don't know me, I know you know, pop off quick and fast. 1 minute. I tell you, so when you sweep me around there, you know where I start. I ram, you know, I do the works, you know, I ram, you know. And I say the woman, one turn round. Every time the woman turn round, I fix her face, you know. I just fix her head, you know, and start again, you know. Because this is a woman that can't turn round today, you know, because I have to come, you know. God, maybe if she got people and style me and style the lady, you know, but God no. When you're ugly, you don't have a boss in me. Me I tell you straight up. When you not tan so good, I say from the get-go, fix up yourself, spend some money on yourself, make sure so your man appreciate you. And like saying I appreciate you for the way you're looking up, but give him a buzz, man. Fix up yourself, don't be a granny. Don't be every day you get up in his long.
A few moments later.
Nails nice pan the plane. Not mine, you know. Not mine. Nails pan a female nice. When she pass that through your head and pan your shoulder around your neck and dry pan the back so.
1 eternity later.
Woman is a powerful tool. So you have to use it up. Anyway, we are going, ramming and stabbing and going, you know. Man almost a coming over, man. I try to change position, you know. Me I say, no, B. No, they don't stand right, they stand right. She say, why? You come? Me I say, no, man. I come, me want come, you know. Because me want done, you know. Because me no want, if you know, say, me get to go front and want me no come, you know. Then the front not really relevant again, you know, because your name come. So me want make sure, say, me come, you know. So me set so me a ram and stab her. Woman want to turn around like a ras. Me never see this yet. And me tell the woman say, stand in another position here. Stay where you're there. And the woman want to turn around, you know. Because you look like a so she love you, you know. A so she want come, you know, but me want come. You don't know about she, but me want come. Because you see that face there now, it all go break the vibes and kill everything. So me don't want to see. So anyway, we did it and we go on and pop off to right to the road and done. And the woman said, so I done you, and me, yes. And me I said, no, you know, man, you can come look for me next week, man, and think, man. People, the woman called me phone till she weak. Where yourself now calling me? I don't pick up. I never talk to that catty again. I tell you, first time in Montego Bay, first time experiencing this type of experience where you meet a catty for the first time in less than a week. Them time now we not used to them thing there, you know. You see nowadays when you meet a catty in a KFC and she asks if you can buy 3 pieces here and you set up bap and buy and then now you and I can go do. Them days in my days, back in my days, I say work all 3 months on that text for 6 months before you can even know what kind of panty the woman wear. Get people, that was part 1 of a enough part series, yeah, enough did it. Like Miss have so many experiences, unbelievable. If you don't want to share an opinion, you can comment in the comment section below, yeah. You don't know every man of the experience can share said way, you know what I mean? And if you don't want to see a part 2, comment below set speed, you know what I mean? Just want to take the time out to big up the people who want to support the thing. Go on support the thing because listen, I have so much watch time and it's because of you guys on a genuineness. You gonna show me love and I have to take the time out for big up on big up all I want, everyone I want to sit down and watch out my video to the end. Big forward and give me. Yeah man, so if you want to see part 2, you can comment below same way and make me know say yo listen to me Nizzo, shot part 2 1 year, it's story time. This Entertainment TV, I'm out.